On day 2 of our internship, we visited Maruti Agro Products and learned about the Blackgram processing procedure. The processing takes around 3 days and includes stages like pre-cleaning, oiling, watering, drying, husk removal, and packing. We also learned that the husk is reused for cattle feed, so the plant follows a zero wastage concept. The company focuses on premium quality product. Their products are mainly supplied to Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and also indirectly exported to Sri Lanka. The second visit of our day 2 was to DSR Trust. It is center of working for development of the community by providing free services to the rural people. We observed that the trust runs skill development center, healthcare center and education center for the benefit of local people. The services are provided free of cost to support employment, healthcare and education. In conclusion, day 2 of our internship was highly informative and meaningful. It helped us connect classroom's knowledge with real industrial and social development practices.